how to make this roll that war gun. It just pops out right out there. See, pops out. There we go. And this is the weapon for it. See, the little bullet. I might kill someone. Kill dogs with that weapon.
Kill dogs?
No, kill dogs.
Kill ball?
Kill dogs.
Oh,
With
kill
that weapon right here. Oh, it's better. Okay, you have this. Now you wanna do this. And you just gotta toss this right there behind the camera. Boom, 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 boom. It makes a weird noise. Okay, just like to make your handle. I should just do this. Now you just want flat, 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 flat. Now you want to flatten the other way. Am I staring at you? I see you. There. Yeah, you had that. You flatten it like a square. Square, 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 square. Now you can just flatten it.
Switch labels. And you thought that would work? Well, I gave it a shot. I knew how much this meant to you. But wait a minute. I'm wearing something made by someone who's famous? I've never done that before. Even my diapers were designed. Mom like the pants. Well, after the flood, fire, and the runaway robot.
Okay, you have this. This is your thing, and you want to make it slant. Okay, slanty. Like that. Now you grab your gun. Now you want to put it there. I'm sorry. Now you have that. You like to tape it on there. Really good, not wiggly at all. Keep on doing it. Okay. Next. wanna go in this one. Okay. That's the end of the video. Okay. Bye. YouTube. Part 3 ending right now. I'll show you my house first. Where's me? My own kid. My brother's on the couch there. There's my TV. Star Choice. This is stuff there. There's my stove. There's my hallway. And there's my stuff right there. There's my other room. There's the other room. And this is the bathroom. Okay? And that's what is my bathroom. And that's the first laundry room. This one is the washroom room. And yeah. Stinks in here. And yeah. See you later, YouTube.